Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, welcome back to my video. I made this video to complete mid-test English format with supporting letter Mr. Wisn Kusumajati M.Pd. So, enjoy the video and keep watching. On this video, we will discuss about 5 topics. First, about lowest common multiple or KPK and highest common factor or FKB. Second, about powers, root, logarithm, and sequence. And every topics we must answer 5 questions and find the solution. So we start with the first topic, is lowest common multiple and highest common factor or KPK and FKB. Nah, first about lowest common multiple and highest common factor or KPK and FKB. The first question is find lowest common multiple or KPK from 20 and 24. Nah, we know that factor of 20 are 2 to the raised of 2 times 5, and factor of 24 are 2 to the raised of 3 times 3. Nah, so KPK from 20 and 24 are 2 to the raised to 3 times 5 times 3 equals 120. Number 2, find FKB from 12 and 24. First, we know that factor of 12 are 2 raised by 2 times 3, and factor of 24 are 2 raised by 3 times 3. So FKB from 12 and 24 are 2 raised by 2 times 3 equals 12. Number 3, find KPK and FKB from 32 and 36. So factor of 32 are 2 raised by 5, and factor of 36 are 2 raised by 2 times 3 raised by 2. So KPK from 32 and 36 are 2 raised by 5 times 3 raised by 2 equals 32 times 9 equals 288. And FKB from 32 and 36 are 2 raised by 2 or 4. Number 4, find KPK and FKB from 12, 18, and 20. So factor of 12 are 2 raised by 2 times 3. Factor of 18 are 2 times 3 raised by 2, and factor of 20 are 2 raised by 2 times 5. So KPK from 12, 18, and 20 are 2 raised by 2 times 3 raised by 2 and times 5. So equals 4 times 9 times 5 equals 180. And FKB from 20, 18, and 12 are 2. The last question is 34. First, we know that Fajri every 6 days, Taufik every 8 days, and Tiar every 12 days. Nah, we using KPK to find the solution in this question. So vector from 6 is 2 times 3. Vector of 8 is 2 raised by 3, and vector from 12 is 2 raised by 2 times 3. So KPK from 6, 8, and 12 is 2 raised by 3 times 3 equals 24. So 24 days again, they will be meet. Second topics about powers. The first question, we find the x. So the question is 4 raised by 2x minus 3 equals 2 raised by 6. Can be 2 raised by 4x minus 6 equals 2 raised by 6. Can be 4x minus 6 equals 6. 4x equals 12. So x equals 3. Number 2, 10 raised by 4 times 10 raised by 6 over 10 raised by 7 equals 10 raised by 10 over 10 raised by 7 equals 10 raised by 3. Number 3, 2 raised by minus 3 times 2 raised by 4 in parentheses raised by minus 2 equals 2 raised by 1 in parentheses raised by minus 2 equals 2 raised by minus 2 or equals 1 over 2 raised by 2 equals 1 over 4. Number 4, 10 raised by minus 2 times 10 raised by 3 equals 10 raised by minus 5 equals 1 over 10 raised by 5 equals 1 over 100,000. The last question of power is 2 over 3 in parentheses raised by 3 equals 2 raised by 3 over 3 raised by 3 equals 8 raised by 27. Next solution about root. Number 1, 20 over root of 8 minus root of 3 equals 20 over root of 8 minus root of 3 times root of 8 plus root of 3 over root of 8 plus root of 3 equals 20 root of 8 plus 20 root of 3 over 5 equals 4 root of 8 plus 4 root of 3 equals 4 root of 8 plus root of 3 in parentheses, like that. The solution of number 2 is root of 8 times root of 6 equals root of 48 or equals 4 root of 3. The solution question of number 3 is 9 root of 2 plus root of 32 minus root of 8. Nah, untuk soal materi ini kita sederhanakan menjadi bentuk yang sama akarnya. Jadi can be 9 root of 2 plus 4 root of 2 minus 2 root of 2. So the solution is 11 roots of 2. Number 4, third root of 32 equals third root of 8 times 4 equals third root of 2 raised by 3 times 4 equals 2 third root of 4. The last question about roots, the solution is 3 over root of 6 equals 3 over root of 6 times root of 6 over root of 6 equals 3 root of 6 over 6 equals root of 6 over 2. Next, about logarithm. The solution of number 1, we find the value of x. So log x to the base of 2 equals 5 can be log x to the base of 2 equals 5 times log 2 to the base of 2. Can be log x to the base of 2 equals log 2 raised by 5 to the base of 2. So x equals 2 raised by 5. So x equals 32. Next, solution of number 2. Log 54 to the base of 3 minus log 2 to the base of 3. This is using characteristic of logarithm. So can be log 54 over 2 to the base of 3 equals log 27 to the base of 3 equals log 3 raised by 3 to the base of 3 equals 3. Number 3, log 3 to the base of 2 plus log 8 to the base of 2 minus log 6 to the base of 2. This is using characteristic of logarithm equals log 3 times 8 over 6 in the parenthesis to the base of 2 equals log 24 over 6 in parenthesis to the base of 2 equals log 4 to the base of 2 equals 2. Number 4, log 625 to the base of 5 equals log 5 raised by 4 to the base of 5 equals 4. The last question, number 5, about logarithm. Log x minus 2 in parenthesis to the base of 5 equals 4. it is like number 1, we find the value of x can be log x minus 2 in parenthesis to the base of 2 equals log 2 raised by 4 to the base of 2 equals x minus 2 equals 2 raised by 4. X equals 2 raised by 4 minus 2. X equals 2 raised by 3. X equals 8. So x equals 8. Less about sequence and sum. The question number 1. Find the 10th term of first, 7, 13, 19, 3 dots. That we know the first terms equals 1. The range equals 6. So the 10 terms equals 1 plus 10 minus 1 in parenthesis times 6 equals 1 plus 9 times 6 equals 1 plus 54 equals 55. So 10 terms of the sequence equals 55. Question number 3. Find the sum of the first 10 terms of each arithmetic of 15, 18, 21, 24, 3 dots. So the sum of the first 10 terms equals 10 over 2 open parenthesis 2 times 15 plus 2 minus 1 in parenthesis 3 close parenthesis equals 5 13 plus 27 in parenthesis equals 5 times 57 equals 2. Question number 4. Find 6 terms of sequence geometry of 2, 6, 18, 3 dots. So 6 terms equals 2 times 3 raised by 6 minus 1 equals 2 times 3 raised by 5 equals 2 times 243 equals 486. So 6 terms of sequence geometry is 486. The last question of sequence number 5. Find the next 2 terms of sequence 3, 4, 6, 9, 3 dots. So the next 2 terms equals 12 and 17. Okay, enough until here. Hopefully this video give a benefit to me and to you guys. So see you on next video. Bye bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.